Hello everyone, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel. So, first things first, I am in a completely different setup. So, with this whole coronavirus going on, Chris and I decided to leave the city that we live in and to come up to my brother and his wife's house. They live in the country a couple hours away, and we decided to come up here last week. So bit of a different setup. My makeup is in different containers all around me. I'm sitting on the floor. So a little bit of a different, I'm hoping more relaxing video today. This is actually my second time filming this already today. So if you see any like makeup residue or my skin is red from wiping off the makeup, that is why. At first I was trying to do like some really cool like out there look, thinking, oh, like now's the time to, try whatever you want. And I hated the way it turned out. So I wiped it all off and went and had a snack because I was afraid I was getting hangry. And that's when I was sitting and brainstorming, and I thought, God, like I have been living in sweatpants in this house for, actually we were even social distancing at our own place for quite a few days before we came up here. So I have been living in sweatpants for like over a week now. And while I was sitting eating my snack, I thought, I want to feel pretty. Like I was trying to do this like cool, like very out there look. I felt like I just looked like a clown. And I was like, God, I've been living in sweatpants. I just want to feel good. Like I haven't been doing my hair. I haven't been doing makeup. And I just kind of feel like crap. And then I've been seeing all these memes and everything about how everyone else is just living in their sweatpants. And as awesome as it is, after a while, I feel like it does start to take a toll on your self-esteem. Because then all of a sudden you're just like, man, I just haven't gotten ready in so long. And it's just like, man, I don't feel good. So I can't be the only one feeling this way with everything going on, right? And then I thought, that's the video to make. Not some out there video that other people aren't going to try. It's what is relatable. And this is how I'm feeling. So maybe some of you out there are feeling the same way. So something that I want to do today is actually something I've been doing in my videos. Like there's been quite a few now where I actually speed through the makeup and I put what I feel is like some cool like music in the background where you're like, oh, I could jam out to this, but like it's not intense. So I feel like that's pretty relaxing. I like that vibe. So I'm going to pretty much just amp it up a little bit today with that. And I want to do a video about feeling pretty and about relaxing and feeling some sense of calm. Anyway, that's what today's video is about. So if that sounds good to you, then just keep watching. We're about to have a break just so that you all can see my dog. Say hi, bud. Hi, bud. Hi. What are you doing? Are you funny? Okay, back to the highlight. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope it was a nice, calming, relaxing video and that it inspires you to do a look for yourself as well if you've kind of been feeling a little bit down in the dumps lately from everything that's going on. So try throwing on something maybe besides sweatpants, doing your makeup, and even if it is just for yourself. I mean, that's what I feel makeup is about anyway. It's for you, it's not for anyone else. It's to make you feel good. And that's what makeup does for me. So hopefully you'll feel better, because I feel better. I do. I hope this inspired you guys, and I hope that you all stay safe, stay inside, and go have a good one. Oh, I totally forgot about everything else with my outro. Okay, back it up. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Videos are every Tuesday and Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and all the makeup that I used today will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and go have a good one. Bye. Nice. My back is starting to hurt from sitting on the floor. I am getting too old for this. All right, and then the mascara that, ooh, bright lights, hello. I hope that, ooh.